Okay, I'm back. I had some problems with the videos I made yesterday, so I had to start a new one. This one I think is a little darker than where I ended yesterday. This is actually how far I got, and well, my video did not come out. It was blurry, and so anyway, I started over, so this might look a little different. I think next I'm going to start on the eyeballs. I'm going to use jade green. And let's see. I'm just going to start at the top on the left side. Make an up and down motion around the eyeball. And on this side, same thing. Up and down. And then I'll add a little bit of light aqua. I'll start at the top and sort of fade into the jade. Start at the top, fade into the jade. I'm going to take the chartreuse, start at the top on the right, and fade into the jade. Same on the left side. Okay. So let's see. You could just leave the face as is as far as the skin goes, but I like to add some of the jade green for shading. It sort of brings all the colors in. And I'm just going to add a little bit, and I'm not pushing too hard to the edges. Zoom back out before I forget. There we go. And this sort of softens this line also. A little bit under the lip. A little under the nose, and I'm not pushing too hard. Maybe a little up here. And then I'm going to go above the eye. And above the lid. Same on this side. And I should put a piece of paper under here. My table is textured. Okay, and then I'm going to go under the eye real lightly. A little bit on the sides of the nose, just lightly let it glide on the paper. Barely touching it. Maybe soften this line out a little bit. I'll put some in the neck. And soft, sort of soft line under the chin. And let's see, maybe a little darker line under there. Okay, so next I think I'll do the lips, and I have the Carmine Red. Don't push too hard. And a little line at the bottom. Okay, and then like yesterday, or the last video, I'm gonna do half circles. I'm not really pushing hard. Okay, and then I'm going to go this way. And if you can't see what I'm doing, whoop, I did not mean to do that. I'm going like this through the lip rather than up and down. It gives it more volume, I guess, to go with the curves of the lips. And then on the bottom, oh, can you see that? I'm going to go same thing but lighter. Just barely doing it because you want your top lip to be darker. I'm just barely doing this. Okay, add a little bit more shade here. A little bit to the top. A little below. Okay, so I'm going to take the nectar and kind of shade it a little bit. Okay, now I think I'll add a little bit of the Carmine Red to the cheeks. I'm just lightly adding a layer over the top of the nectar. My new piece had a little texture in there. I'm not sure where that's from, but that shouldn't be there. I'm just lightly fading into the nectar color. Starting a little darker from the outside. Getting